whole purpose of this is so it's wherever this HMI is going to be in a machine somewhere out there in a different area, and they're having problems, we can log in remotely and we can get into the screen. For instance, if I click on the screen here, so in other words, the laptop is mimicking the HMI over here, and I can control it wherever I am remote connected to it. So if they were having issues that they can't get the lights turned on, we can go in there and see what's going on. So everything that I do on the laptop screen, it turns on here as well. And we can also, at the same time, as we update the program for the HMI or the PLC, we can send it via remote. In other words, we don't have to go over there and do it physically. We can do it all remotely. So you connect, one side's connected to the Ethernet or internet, and then the other one's connected to the device.
Okay.
So that's how it communicate to it, and I can communicate through the laptop as well.
Sweet.
So